Fine. Problem number 17. Let me go with this. A baby elephant drinks around 12 liters of milk every day. It drinks around 12 liters of milk every day. How much milk will it drink in 2 years? You know, see, 1 year, how many days? That is 365 days. For 2 years, it is nothing but 2 into 365 days, which is nothing but what? 730 days, right? Now, so for 2 years it is 730 days. A baby elephant that drinks around 12 liters of milk every day, so that is nothing but 730 into 12. 12 zeros is 0, correct? 12 threes are 36, 6 3 carry, 12 sevens are 84 plus 3 87. So this baby elephant is going to drink around 8760 liters, right, liters of milk in 2 years.